रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि कोरोना की वजह से मदरसा बंद मगर तालीम जारी है। पिछले साल हमारे जमात अव्वल ता चाहरुम के क्लासेस शुरू नहीं हुए, तब भी बच्चे घर में बैठकर पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। आप भी घर में फ़र्श पर बच्चों को इस तरह से पज़ल बनाकर दे ताकि बच्चों में दिलचस्पी पैदा हो और वर्ड में इजाफा हो। अब हमारे सर इस पज़ल के बारे में कुछ बच्चों को पूछेंगे और मालूमात देंगे।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट। हाउ आर यू? We are fine. Okay. Now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. Okay. Here is I am going to ask you some question. मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा, तस्वीर दिखाकर. Okay. Then afterward you may give me answer and the right spelling here. Okay. First picture is this. Who is this? G-R-A. Who is this? Sir, very good. Come here and write the spelling here. Take it. Excellent job. Go to another picture. Who is this?
Father.
Very good. Come here. What is the spelling of father?
F-A-T-H-E-R.
Very nice. You may write here. Very good. Go to your place. Another picture. What is this? Whose picture is this?
Mother.
Mother. Very good. Come here. What is the spelling of mother?
M-O-T-H-E-R.
Very good. Right here. Excellent. Okay. Another picture I will show you. Who is this?
Grandfather.
Very good. Come here. Write your spelling.
D.
F.
वो लिखे थे।
क्या लिख रहे पढ़ी नहीं है साथ।
Make it large. T. E.
जो स्पेलिंग लिख रहे हैं पढ़ो रे।
What is the spelling you write here? Read it again. R-A-N-D. Grand. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Grandfather. Okay? You may go to your place. Very good. Okay. Basira, you may come here. Whose picture is this?
Uncle.
Uncle. Okay? Come here. What is the spelling of uncle?
U-N-C-L-E.
Very good. Right here. Very nice. Excellent, madam. You may go to your place. Another picture. Who is this? Brother. Very good. What is the spelling of brother?
B-R-O-T-H-E-R.
Very nice. Right here. Good. Very good. And last second is here. Who is this?
Sister.
Sister. Come here. What is the spelling of sister?
S-I-S-T-E-R.
Very nice. You may write here. Okay. Last one. Okay. Now tell me, who is the feminine name? Uncle की feminine name क्या है? कौन बताएंगे?
AUNT.
AUNT. Aunt. Very good. Write here aunt. Very good. Now clap for all of us. Clap. Excellent. अब हमने यहाँ पर क्या किए? हमने यहाँ पर सारे रिलेटिव्स के पजल जो दिए हुए थे वो सारे पजल हमने सॉल्व किए. ओके, थैंक यू.
इस तरह से बच्चों को आप घर में फर्श पर पजल दें ताकि बच्चे घर में बैठकर सॉल्व कर सकें. खुदा हाफिज़.